So sitting behind me, as always, is my Chrysler 300 SRT8 2006, and if you watch my other latest video, you'll see that I purchased the Borla ATAK series exhaust, which is a catback exhaust system, and I just got it installed recently on the car. So without further ado, I'm going to give you guys a cold start, and I'm also going to give you guys like a little review of the exhaust system itself, so stay tuned. Alright guys, well just before we get into the cold start part of this video, I'm just going to show you guys what the exhaust looks like on the back. I know that my bumper has to be repainted, but that'll be a project for another day. So this is the exhaust. I do believe that they are 4-inch tips and stainless steel 100% as mentioned, so it'll definitely outlast the car. It looks like from under. Pretty straight pipe, but not entirely. And they do have a slight angle for the tips. I'll also let you guys know that I will be switching over to the GoPro because the phone likes to cancel out a lot of noise, exhaust sounds included, so I'll switch over to the GoPro, and right after the cold start, I'm just going to let the RPMs drop a little bit, and then I'll give you guys a couple revs. Here's the remote, and here we go on the cold start. That's a cold start of the SRT with the Borla ATAK on. Just one more thing before I end this video, I forgot to say it before, but as for drone and all that, if you're on the highway, there's very minimal drone to this exhaust. You can barely hear it, especially if you have your music turned up just a little bit, you don't even hear the exhaust. It does get extremely loud and aggressive sounding, obviously, if you stomp on it, hence the name ATAK. And besides that, the police never bothered me before in the past couple months of having it installed. Obviously, you don't rev it up in cities and stuff like that. They won't bother you if you don't do that. So it has a very low rumbly kind of sound, and I have no regrets about this exhaust, guys. So if you're looking to get one for your 300 or Charger or Challenger, I say go for it. I do think it's a little on the pricey side for an exhaust. It's not the most expensive, but it's definitely not given. So if you're looking for a good quality exhaust and you're willing to spend a little bit of money on it, so I definitely suggest going with the Borla ATAK. Thanks for watching guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.